to the International Iron Casting community. Thank you. And I'll just continue with a couple more thank yous. There's so many, so, you know. But I'd like to thank Laura and Laura. And all of the conference publicity and publications. And I'd like to also especially thank the incredible steering committee. Please stand up. You've all done so much. You all know who you are. And it's almost like every And I think the wonderful thing about iron casting, and the part I love the most, is that we have to do it together. We have to do it as a community. We have to do it, we can't make iron without our community. I'd also like to thank Carlos Alinas. For all that he's done to help facilitate many of the different events, including the workshops and some of the different events, so thank you. And I'd like to thank all of PEDVAL, all of the staff, all of the workers that have helped as well. There's so many people, and it's just wonderful to be here and see you all here. And I can't believe you came here on this dream we had, right?
Their name, Luke's surname is connected with small stone. Right?
The direct translation is small stone. That's why I'm here.
She will help me translate because my language is poor. If you speak, ask somebody for me, you shout and sing. It's difficult to try, but fingers, body, sometimes. But because 15 years ago, somebody arrived in Latvia.
Oi, arī jārunā latviski ir.
What?
Latviski jārunā.
He started in English and
Yes,
then
English. I would like to show how much I speak English. 15 years ago, suddenly Latvia arrived and find me, sculptor from States, Carl Billings. And now, him follow another one sculptor, yes. Ken Payne. Now here 150. Yes, and some people here will stay from, work together from 15th of May, and somebody learn also Latvian. Kā tu jūties? Lieliski! Labi, mēs tiešām esam ļoti iepriecināts un gandarīts.
I'm really glad and thankful.
Redzēt jūs visi šeit kopā tik daudz.
See you, all of you here, so many people
No dažādām pasaules valstīm.
from different countries.
Jo līdz šim, pirms 20 gadiem, ja, kad starp jūs un mani šķīra dzelzs priekškars.
Until now, these 20 years, an Iron Curtain has had separated us.
Man nebija nekāda iespēja izbraukt uz ārzemēm, piedalīties pasākumos, simpozijos, plenēros, konferencēs, izstādīt savus darbus pasaulē un aicināt arī citus māksliniekus.
I never had a chance to participate to go abroad and participate in different kinds of symposia, conferences, plenaires, and also to exhibit my work.
1991. gadā, kad Latvija atguva atkal neatkarību,
But in 1991, when Latvia regained the independence,
Latvijas māksliniekiem pavērās iespēja komunicēt un integrēties pasaules kultūrā un mākslā.
and then the Latvian artists got this opportunity to integrate and to communicate with the artist community of the world.
Kopš tiem atgūstot Latvijas neatkarību, bija iespēja iegūt arī privātu īpašumu.
And after regaining the independence, it was also possible to obtain or regain the property, real estate.
Mans sapnis vienmēr ir bijis visu mūžu veidot muzeju, Briedavas mākslas muzeju parku, kurē integrēt gan savas kultūras, gan arī citu mākslinieku no pasaules.
I had always had a dream to make an open air museum where to place my own work and also to invite other artists, sculptors to exhibit their work.
Kopš 1994. gadā es sāku organizēt simpozijus, plenērus un izstādes.
Since 1994, I've been organizing conferences, plenaires and exhibitions.
Tas ir process, kurš man vajadzēja veidot koncepciju šai vietai, kurai bija sena vēsture kopš 12. gadsimta.
And I had to make a concept for this place, which actually had history since 12th century.
Caur šiem gadsimtiem notikuši dažādi sociāli-ekonomiski procesi.
Different kinds of socio-economic processes have been taking place in this place.
Tā bija zeme īpašums, kura tika kopta arta, sēta, ganīti lopi un dzimuši un miruši cilvēki, kuri tika arī šeit paglabāti.
It was the land that was harvested and plucked and seeds were sown here and also animals were pastured, livestock and people had died were born here and died.
50 gadu okupācijas laiks bija atrauts no pasaules attīstības konteksta.
So these 50 years of occupation had separated the place from the development, the cultural development.
Iegūstot īpašumā šo zemi, man vajadzēja domāt, kas ar viņu notiks tālāk, kā viņi tiks kopti.
After obtaining this real estate as a property, I had to think of how to develop it further on.
Tā kā es esmu mākslinieks, es sapratu, ka tā ir māksla un kultūra, ar ko kopt šo zemi.
As I'm an artist, I understood that this place should be developed together as an artist and that I should develop this land as an artist.
Šai vietai sena vēsture. Tur jūs redzat koka stumbru un celmu. Tas kādreiz bija 12., 13., 14. gadsimta kā kulta koks, kur senās ciltis ziedoja dabai, kokam, akmeņiem.
This place has also many ancient landmarks, and behind you there is remains of an old tree which used to be an idol lime tree during 12th and 14th centuries, where people brought donations to this idol tree.
Tagad ir tā, ka taisot mākslu šajā zemē, uzstādot savus mākslas darbus, ir ziedojums šai zemē.
Well, now when making art, these pieces of art are also like donations for the land.
Es gribu pateikties visiem tēlniekiem, kuri piedalījās simpozijā, par radītiem māksliniekiem, par mākslas darbiem, kuri šeit palikuši uz zemes.
I would like to thank everybody who has participated in making artwork during this time, and for all the artwork that remains on this land.
Tāpat es gribu pateikt visiem konferences dalībniekiem, kuri ir iedevušies šo konferenci, lai piedalītos šajā pasākumā.
And also I would like to thank all the participants who have come to take part in this conference.
Paldies Emzijai par to lielo darbu, ko viņi ieguldījuši šajos garajos gados, vai neorganizējot konferenci.
For the big job that you have done during organization of this conference.
Paldies arī visai ORU komitejai, kur piedalījās, radot šo konferenci, lekcijas, paneļu diskusijas. Ja.
Thank you to all the speakers and lecturers who have developed prepared speeches and done discussions.
Paldies visiem asistentiem, kuratoriem, strādniekiem, studentiem, kuri sabrauc no dažādām mākslas skolām, universitātiem, palīdzēt māksliniekiem un arī paši mācīt.
Thank you to all the assistants and curators and students who have come from different schools, who have come to learn and participate.
Thank you. And now we walk. They said, look, there is some, you feel some smoke. Then it was man, start prepared beer, stone beer. Yes, and we will go, look, stay around, and he speaks Latvian, but maybe I'll try to explain, yes, how he makes this beer. This evening he will make stone beer. He burn in the fire stones, put in the water, and many times, and this. More than something, yes. And so after some days, 1, 2, 3 days, will be ready this beer, and sculptor from England, Steve. It is secret, maybe. Steve, it is secret. What you will do with this beer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope you will share.
It will be approximately 100 liters. Yes, and after 2 days, for another man who will make here himself cheese. Yes, cottage cheese.
Make
And
some
then also
nice
for
cheese.
yes, and also for yes, and then we walk another side of the fire trees, and there is some ritual. There, 4 men wait us, and we are looking and follow this man, but I don't know what happened. That you follow him and after me.
Okay.